Lennox Error Code H3 indicates that the compressor overload protection has been triggered. This is a safety mechanism designed to prevent damage to your HVAC system's compressor due to excessive load, high pressure, or electrical issues. Think of it as your system's way of saying, something is wrong and I need to protect myself. The compressor is the heart of your HVAC system, and the H3 code helps safeguard it from potential harm. Understanding this code is the first step toward maintaining a healthy HVAC system. Several factors can cause the H3 error in Lennox HVAC systems. The most common triggers put excessive stress on the compressor, activating its overload protection mechanism. Refrigerant issues are a primary trigger. When refrigerant is overcharged or at low levels, it creates pressure imbalances in the system. This forces the compressor to work harder than normal, leading to the H3 error as the high-pressure switch activates to prevent damage. Airflow problems often stem from dirty filters or blocked vents. When air cannot flow freely through the system, heat builds up around the compressor. This increased heat puts stress on the compressor, triggering the H3 error as the system protects itself from overload. Electrical faults such as power surges or failing capacitors can cause sudden overloads. When capacitors fail or wiring issues occur, the compressor receives inconsistent power, leading to stress that activates the H3 error code. Extreme environmental conditions like high heat and humidity can trigger the H3 error. In hot climates, the system works harder to maintain cool temperatures, increasing pressure and putting extra stress on the compressor. In summary, the H3 error occurs when anything causes undue stress on the compressor. Understanding these triggers helps in preventing and addressing the issue effectively. Before calling a technician for the H3 error, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, reset your HVAC system to clear any temporary glitches. Turn off the power to your unit completely for 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it back on. This allows the system to reset its internal controls and may resolve the error. Next, check your air filters. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, causing your system to work harder and potentially triggering the H3 error. Replace or clean filters if they're dirty. This is a common fix that takes just minutes. Also, inspect your vents and air ducts for any obstructions. Blocked vents can create pressure imbalances that lead to compressor overload and the H3 code. Clear any debris, furniture, or objects blocking airflow. If the H3 error persists after trying these basic steps, more advanced diagnostics will be needed. These initial checks resolve most common issues and are safe to perform yourself. For persistent H3 errors that continue after you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps, it's essential to call a Lennox certified technician. These professionals have the proper training and certification to handle Lennox systems safely. Attempting repairs yourself can be risky. Improper fixes might void your warranty, leading to higher repair costs later. In some cases, incorrect repairs can cause additional damage to your HVAC system, making problems worse. A certified technician brings specialized tools and expertise to accurately diagnose the underlying cause of the H3 error. They can perform repairs safely and effectively, often resolving issues that DIY methods can't address. The average cost for professional service is between $150 and $300, depending on the specific problem. Real-world examples show how H3 errors can be resolved effectively. A homeowner in Texas with a Lennox XC21 unit experienced recurring H3 codes during summer heat waves. The diagnosis revealed a clogged condenser coil causing pressure buildup. After cleaning the coil and recharging the refrigerant using a DIY kit, the system ran error-free for a year, saving about $500 in potential service fees. In a commercial setting, a small business in California faced H3 due to a faulty capacitor after a power outage. A technician replaced the capacitor, and the company installed a backup generator. This reduced downtime by 40% and prevented future overload issues, highlighting the value of preventive measures. However, ignoring an H3 error can lead to serious consequences. In Florida, a homeowner with a Lennox heat pump had improper installation, causing low refrigerant levels. Ignoring the H3 warnings resulted in compressor failure, costing $2,000 in repairs. This case underscores the critical importance of proper setup and prompt attention to H3 codes. Preventative maintenance is crucial for avoiding the H3 error in Lennox HVAC systems. Regular upkeep can reduce occurrences by up to 60% according to industry data. Start with annual tune-ups, where a technician checks all components and performs necessary adjustments to keep your system running optimally. Keep air filters clean to ensure proper airflow and prevent pressure buildup that can trigger the H3 code. Address minor issues promptly before they escalate into major problems requiring compressor shutdown. Newer Lennox units feature smart overload algorithms that automatically adjust compressor speed to prevent triggers. By following these preventative measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of H3 errors and extend your system's lifespan. HVAC technology is moving toward predictive maintenance, where systems anticipate problems before they occur. AI-driven analytics in newer Lennox systems can predict H3 risks based on usage patterns, allowing for proactive fixes. Future systems may incorporate generative AI for instant troubleshooting, potentially reducing service calls by up to 50%. Sustainability trends emphasize energy-efficient compressors that self-regulate overloads, aligning with global net zero goals. Keep your system updated for optimal performance and to take advantage of these future advancements. By staying informed about these trends, you can ensure your HVAC system remains reliable and efficient for years to come.